Hey guys, it's me Stace. Welcome back to my channel. Also welcome to 2020. Today's video we're actually making a scrapbook layout based on my word that I chose for the new year. So the word I chose is positive. So I have a little piece of yellow here and we're just doing a 12 by 12 layout. This piece of yellow is 2 3/4 by 11 1/2. I'm going to use this as my title piece here. Alright, so we're just going to kind of center this at the very top. Make sure it's even on all of the sides, or close to that. Alright, then we have my word positive. I did use the Cricut for these letters. So I'm going to go ahead and put these all on here where they go, just so you have an idea. Okay, now I'm going to use my art glitter glue. I get this from maybemadeit.com. And we're going to go ahead and glue these down. So a really simple layout. I'm not going to work left to right. This way I can make sure I fit them all in here. You don't need a whole lot of glue, just enough to tack it down because this will be in a page protector when we're done. So for 2020, I do plan on doing a video talking to you guys about my channel for 2020. But with scrapbooking, I do plan on going back to this. The normal, traditional 12 by 12 layouts, maybe like different sizes, like 8 by 11, 10 by 10. Me and Project Life have parted ways. Alright, so positive. That T looks kind of funny, but I guess that's the way it's supposed to be. Okay, now we're going to do our T. You can see I'm using very little, if any, glue. I do need to glue my T down on top a little bit there. Okay, now we have our dots for the eyes. I'm just going to go ahead and put the glue right there above the dots, or the eyes, where the dots are going to go. My dot there for eye, and then my other dot over here. And I tried looking online on Cricut for images that would represent positive. There really isn't a whole lot other than like wording. So I came up with my own images here. Well, first I found, I went onto the dictionary, I printed out the definition behind the word positive. So I have that here. And we're just going to adhere that to this gray mat here. Just like that. Alright, then I did this piece in the Cricut. It just has all the letters. You probably can't see them because they're in yellow, but it says positive. Then for each letter, I have what I want to be as far as being positive. So I have purposeful, obedient. S is for Stacy, means just focus on myself more. Idle, kind of being still, relaxing a little bit. Transparent. Image, again, that's focusing on my self-image. V is for victorious. E is for effective. And I'm going to put that on this mat here as well. That's going to go right here. Okay, that's going to go there. That's going to go there. Just like that. Alright, now I have this little image that I found on Design Space as well. She's going to be really hard to glue down, so we'll see. Then I have these little faces. I have a battery. That's going to glue these faces down. Alright, so this is like a negative face. So the goal here is to go from negative to positive. Okay, so there's the negative guy. Then we have the positive guy here. Okay, then I kind of have an arrow to connect those two, just like that. Okay, so we're going to go from negative to positive. This is going to go here. Then I also have a battery down here, just because of the negative and the positive again. So that battery will go right there. Let's go ahead and glue the battery together. So do you guys do words of the year? This is my first time ever doing it. I thought it'd be exciting. Something a little different. Alright, so put that battery piece right there. Okay, let me fix that. dries. Okay. All right, now we have this guy. She's not going to be nice to glue down. So I'm going to kind of grab some paper here. I'm just going to grab a folder here. And try my best just to kind of dot it down so it stays. It is super thin. But I liked it. I mean, like I said, I'm using art glitter glue. I'm just kind of dabbing it on here just to help it stay down. Then what I'm going to do is take this and kind of dab it off to get rid of the extra glue, and then we'll go ahead and put it on our layout here. The best we can. I'm going to take something, my hands are sticking, just kind of flatten it all out. Okay, that's there. And I have a word for inside there. The word is mind. Okay, then also going to go, it's like she's kind of pointing, like I'm pointing to myself here. Have a positive mind. So what I did is I took the plus sign out of the battery for the plus sign, for the positive. That's going to go right there. You put a little bit of glue under my N here. Yeah, I was going to use this whole phrase, said positive mind. My Cricut didn't want to cut it, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to use it. I'll use the other half of it, so that's what I did. All right, now these guys, I think I'm going to pop up. I have my little foam dots right here. The battery, or the arrow, I'll leave flat. Okay, give all them a little push, then take the backings off. Then we'll go here, and I might put this, because I believe she's crooked. I think she is crooked, so I think just to kind of play on that being crooked, I'm going to put my battery crooked. Just like that. All right, give these a squish, take the backings off of these guys. And again, this is going from negative to positive. Make sure I remove my arrow there. Okay, and then the arrow we're just going to go ahead and glue flat. Okay, now we'll go ahead and glue these guys down. Again, I want to go for straight, hopefully here. Okay, now we have our last piece right here. So super cute, right? Just for a simple layout. And you guys will see more layouts from me if you like them kind of videos. Okay, so there is the finished layout. So again, we have the word positive, we have my kind of definition of positive, the actual definition of positive, kind of me pointing to myself or just give myself a little mind note to have a positive mind and go from negative to positive, and then the battery here to represent the positive as well. Alright guys, there you have it, my very first layout of 2020. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.